Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a mobile data not working on Android phone. So guys, if you are using any Android phone and when you want to turn on your mobile data, as you can see from here, when you have turned on your mobile data and it is not working. So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. Simply first of all you have to open your settings, and guys after this you need to scroll it below. So guys, you will see here the option of system. You need to click on this tab, and guys you need to click on reset phone, and here you will see the option of reset Wi-Fi settings. So guys, simply you have to click on this one, and guys from here you need to select SIM in which you want to turn on your mobile data. So guys, for example, I have selected this one, and I want to use the mobile data on that SIM. So guys, simply you have to click on reset, and guys here you need to enter your passcode of Android phone, and guys after this your SIM data network will be reset, and guys you will be able to turn on your mobile data easily. And guys after this, if still not working your mobile data, simply you have to check for update. If your Android phone is not updated, you need to check for update, and if you have any kind of update here, simply you need to update your Android phone by using Wi-Fi, and guys after this your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to turn on your mobile data without any interruption. And guys after this, if still not working, then guys you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN on your Android phone, simply you have to disconnect that VPN, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.